Dear students, as you know that we have completed all the tenses. Now it is time to revise some important rules. Clear? Now let's see the example and try to identify any error is there in these sentences. Clear? Let's start. In the first sentence, I have not seen him since 20 years. You can see I have not seen. The sentence is in present perfect tense. Clear? Since 20 years, and after that you can see a period of time is given 20 years. Clear? 20 years. A period of time is given. If you know, with period of time, we always use for, not since. We always use since with point of time, not for period of time. Clear? That's why we have to replace since with for. The right sentence will be I have not seen him for 20 years. Clear? Second sentence. Gauri told me his name after he left. You can see the sentence is in past tense, but you must check that the sentence is correct or not. How? Because you have to read the sentence again and again. After that you are able to understand where the error is. Gauri told me his name. There are two actions. That one is telling and next one is leaving the place. Gauri told me what? His name. When? After he left. You know very well there are two actions. One is later and second one is earlier. And you know very well in earlier action you always use past perfect tense and in later action you always use past indefinite. Now see where what is the later action and which one is the earlier action. Gauri told me his name when after leaving him. Understand, it means that he told his name later when he had left from there. Clear? This is the earlier action. Clear? Now check in the later action past indefinite will be there. It means that this tense is correct. But in the earlier action past tense is there. That's why it is wrong. You have to replace it with had left. In earlier action we always use past perfect, that is had, after that third form of the verb. The right sentence will be Gauri told me his name after he had left. Clear? In the third, when did steal the money and where did they hide it? Now this sentence is also in past tense. When did they stole the money and where did they hide it? You can see at the end of the sentence there is an interrogative mark. And in interrogative mark we always use first helping verb and after that we will use main verb. Clear? Now see the sense of the sentence is correct or not. When, interrogative sentence, when they stole the money, it means that something is wrong here. When you will use WH family to start a sentence, you always use after it a helping verb, which in which the sentence will be there. Clear? That's why you will use here the tense is past and the helping verb of past indefinite tense is did. Clear? The correct sentence will be when did this at the place of stole, because this is the second form of steal. Clear? That's why you have to replace it. The right form of the sentence is when did they steal the money and where did they hide it? The correct sentence will be like this. Clear? In the fourth sentence, did he tell me why he hasn't come yesterday? Very easy sentence because did, you can see we have already discussed it. Clear? Past tense and yesterday is also there, past tense, but Used here what? Present perfect. That is wrong. You have to use at the place of hasn't, hadn't. The short form of had not. Clear? Understand? Fifth sentence. It is time. This is the another rule of past tense. Clear? We should have done something useful. It is time. Whenever you see the expression in any sentence and after that there is a subject. Clear? It is time and after that there is a subject. Without thinking anything, you must fill their past indefinite tense. It means that second form of the verb. That's why this form of the verb is wrong. You have to fill here. It is time we did something else. Clear? The right sentence will be